Germs. Those pesky enemies traveling in the air around us and lurking on every surface. During cold and flu season, germs are everywhere. And one of the biggest culprits for spreading those germs? Sneezing. So what's the best way to cover your sneeze and not get everyone around you sick? Here in the depths of the Texas A&M Health Science Center newsroom, we decided to test it out. Using some wide open space, food coloring, and willing members of our production team, we found a way to demonstrate. We put on protective suits to keep the dye off our clothes, and we did everything we could to make ourselves sneeze. First up, the rude method. Ugh, did you see that? With no cover at all, my germs flew 11.5 feet. Next up, using your hands.
Yeah.
While this is a good way to keep your germs from spraying all over the place, the germs still got through. And look at her hands. Imagine all the doors, stairwells, and elevator buttons she could touch. Gross. Next, the vampire method. While this isn't the best way to keep germs from traveling, using your sleeve is a good way to cover your sneeze with smaller risks of contamination. Just be sure to cover your nose and your mouth. And finally, the tissue method. Not a lot getting through this time. So the question remains, if you have to sneeze, what's the best thing you could do? Grab a tissue.